Despite heavy criticism, Governor Kemp's order to allow some businesses to reopen is set to start Friday. Kemp says Georgia is on track to meet criteria recommended by the federal government. But is it?
WSAV News 3's Alex Bozargian is on your side, digging into the numbers in tonight's top story.
We are on track to meet the gating criteria for phase 1.
That gating criteria from the Trump administration includes a downward trajectory of documented coronavirus cases in a 14-day period, or a downward trajectory in the number of positive cases as compared to total tests over 14 days. Georgia has achieved neither. Still, President Trump says he supports Kemp's decision.
He's a very capable man. He knows what he's doing. He's done a very good job as governor, Georgia, and by the way, and South Carolina.
This past Monday, the state health department reported 1,242 new infections over the prior 24 hours. This is the highest single-day tally in 2 weeks. In addition, 94 people died, doubling the Peach State's previous one-day record. As of noon Wednesday, the Department of Health reports more than 20,700 cases statewide. That's a 4.3% increase in total cases from Tuesday. State governments can also show a downward trajectory in positive tests as a percent of total tests administered. However, over the past 2 weeks, that rate has remained above 22%, and fewer than 1% of the state's population has been tested. Governor Kemp says he's working with the University System of Georgia to change that.
As many of you know, Augusta University Health launched a telemedicine app as part of their comprehensive plan to screen, test, and treat Georgia patients through an algorithm designed by medical experts at the Medical College of Georgia.
A chart on the state's website shows a downward trend for the last 6 days. The governor's office believes Georgia is on a path to meet the 14-day threshold by May 1st, though it's throwing open doors to businesses well before they really know. Alex Bozargian, WSAV News 3 on your side.
In addition, the state recorded more new positive coronavirus cases last week than the week before, as well as more deaths. However, in comparison to other states, Georgia claims to have relatively low case numbers. The state says the per capita death rate from coronavirus is 6 per 100,000, below the national average.